To maintain your carpet, you will need to call in professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne. These cleaners will get rid of the dirt, dust and stains on your carpet without damaging the fibers. Also, this type of cleaning is the right way to maintain your carpet since 1. Professionals use the right strategies to deep clean carpets. 2. The carpet is cleaned using the right tools that help maintain the fibers. 3. Steam cleaning helps get rid of stains and odors on carpets. 4. The appearance of your carpet can be retained for long. So, to book a professional carpet cleaning in Melbourne, get in touch with Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne today. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 039000 5250. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.